You're waiting for him?
Yeah, he's gonna get on. Oh, really, Dick? Come on.
How do you know when it's okay to leave?
When everybody's on the truck.
Are these all volunteer?
Yeah.
So how do you know who's going to respond or not?
There's something called I am responding, which is like you call the number. It's like a phone thing, and you call it and you press like 1 when it's like pre-select your number. You press 1, and it's like your number is like saved in. So when you press 1, it comes up on the board saying like your name is responding.
Oh, okay. And then who gets that list?
Chief. So they dial it up on their mobile data terminals or your computer in the car. And they're like,
Oh,
alright, we
okay.
have these guys responding.
Stay open then until they get back?
No, they have the little fucking buttons to like let out the little garage door opener thing. But fucking rescues are rolling because rescue's fucking stupid.
Is there anybody in that getting ready in that truck or no?
Nope. No one fucking showed up.